In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail settings. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to customize their email experience. By adjusting these settings, you can enhance your productivity and tailor Gmail to fit your needs. Let's get started. First, open Gmail. You will see the familiar interface with your inbox displayed. This is where you manage your emails daily. By opening Gmail, you are ready to access your settings. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. This ensures that any changes you make will apply to the right email address. Once Gmail loads completely, you will be set for the next steps. Next, click the settings icon located in the top right corner. This icon looks like a gear. It is your gateway to all the customization options available in Gmail. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you quick access to some common settings, but for more detailed adjustments, you will want to click on See All Settings. This action is crucial because it opens the full settings page, allowing you to make comprehensive changes. Now, click on See All Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with various tabs. Each tab corresponds to different settings you can adjust. You will find options for everything from your inbox layout to account management. This is where you can fine-tune how Gmail works for you. Navigating this menu effectively will help you find exactly what you need. Select the tab for the settings you want to change. There are several options available such as General, Labels, Inbox, and more. Each tab has its own unique settings. For instance, if you want to adjust your default text style or set up a vacation responder, you would go to the General tab. Understanding where to go for each function is important because it streamlines your workflow. Within the General tab, you can change your language, default text style, signature, vacation responder, and more. Customizing these elements can enhance your communication. Setting a professional signature or adjusting the language can make your emails more effective. This simple adjustment helps convey your message clearly and professionally. Next, navigate to the Labels tab. Here you can show, hide, or create labels for your emails. Labels help organize your inbox. By categorizing emails, you can find important messages quickly. This is especially useful if you receive a high volume of emails. Taking a moment to set up your labels can save you a lot of time later. After that, select the Inbox tab. This allows you to change your inbox type and categories. You can choose between options like Default, Important First, or Unread First. Tailoring your inbox type can significantly improve your email management. This is crucial for keeping your most important messages visible and prioritized. Now, let's move on to the Accounts and Import tab. Here you can add email accounts, change send as addresses, and import mail from other accounts. This feature is vital for those managing multiple email addresses. By consolidating your accounts in one place, you simplify your email management. It makes staying organized much easier. Next, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This section allows you to create filters or block email addresses. Setting up filters can automatically sort incoming emails. This saves you time and ensures your inbox remains clutter-free. Blocking unwanted addresses helps maintain a more productive workspace. At this point, you can explore the Forwarding and POP/email tab. Here you can enable email forwarding or configure POP/email app access. Forwarding allows you to receive emails from one account in another. This is particularly beneficial if you have multiple accounts and want everything in one place. It keeps your workflow seamless. Finally, navigate to the Chat and Meet tab to manage Google Chat and Google Meet settings. This integration is essential for those who use Gmail for business communication. Adjusting these settings ensures you have the tools you need at your fingertips. Now make your changes. Once you have adjusted your settings, remember to save them. This ensures that all your customizations take effect. You will see a confirmation appear at the top of the screen. This little step helps you keep everything updated and working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail settings. Each adjustment you made enhances your email experience. Remember, customizing your email can lead to better organization and efficiency. Thank you for watching.